Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's time for grade 4, chapter 8, creating tables in Word 2013. What is a table? A table refers to a set of data. Data might be a text or a number arranged in rows and columns. Now what are rows and columns? A column is the vertical series of cells in a table and a row is the horizontal series of cells in a table. Now what is a cell? The intersection of rows and columns form rectangular boxes called cells. Here is a picture that is showing column, row and a cell in a table. Creating a table. In Word 2013 there are different ways to create a table in document: using a grid, using the insert table option, using quick tables, drawing a custom table, converting text to a table. Using a grid method. The steps to insert a table in a document using a grid: click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, click the Table option. Now, when you click the Table option in the Tables group, you can see these options. These are available on the screen as well this time. For example, 4 multiplied by 3 table is written below the option. That's mean a grid of 4 columns and 3 rows is actually selected. These are the by default grids. You can select any number. You can select different grids from the given options, and simply by selecting and clicking, the table of same number will be inserted in your document. For example, this time a table of 4 columns and 3 rows is actually inserted on your slide. Using the Insert Table option. The steps are almost same. The steps to insert a table using Insert Table option: click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, click the Table option, and now click the Insert Table option. The Insert Table dialog box will appear. Now we just have to enter the number of columns and number of rows. For example, this time 5 number is actually for columns and 2 number is actually selected for rows. So you can see a table of 5 columns and 2 rows is actually inserted on your slide. Using quick tables. These are the by default designs and templates, you can say, that is given in our software. Quick tables provide various templates for a table. Templates are examples of layout or designs provided in a software. Again, in the Insert tab, Table group, Table option. Now you have to click the Quick Table option. In the Quick Table option, there are predefined designs of tables: calendar 1, calendar 2. We can simply pick design and then the data can be entered according to our requirement in the selected design. The picture that is actually showing the table with the selected theme inserted in our document. Drawing a custom table. Now we are going to draw a table in our document by using a pencil, that is actually our cursor. Click the Draw Table option. The starting steps are same. Now we have to choose the Draw Table option. Then when we pick this option, our cursor will be changed to a pencil sign. Then we can simply click and drag on the screen by using the mouse. Click and drag to draw horizontal lines for rows and vertical lines for columns. Simply by the drag and drop option, we can draw our table in our document. Converting text to a table. This method is actually convert our text in a table. First we have to type our text, then we can convert our data into a table. Now the first step is, after writing, select text. Now you can see on number 1 our text is actually selected, that is highlighted by gray color. Now in second step, in table group, now we have to choose convert text to table option. Step 3, the convert text to table dialog box will appear. Now we have to enter the number of column, only the number of columns, because the number of rows is already decided. Why? Because we wrote our data in 3 rows, in 3 lines. That's why this option is already selected. This is already confirmed. We just have to enter the number of columns. For example, I'm going to enter number 2. Okay, and the next option is, which we have to select in the last one, separate text add, paragraph, commas, tabs, other. In these 3 options we have to choose other, because this is actually showing separate text add, and this time we are going to choose other option, because हम अपना डेटा लिखते हुए सेपरेट करते हैं स्पेस से. No paragraph, no comma, no tabs. We actually separate our data by space bar, by giving space in the words. So हमने यहाँ पे other option choose की है, and in the box that is associated with this option we have to enter a space as well. हमने इस बॉक्स में भी एक स्पेस ऐड की है by using space bar. Definitely that is not showing on the screen because वो एक space है, but हमने उसमें एक space enter करनी है. And when we will click OK, our text will convert into a table. In step 4, you can see our text is actually converted into a table. Now practice time. Create a table and enter data as it is given in your textbook, page number 94, using different table options that we have discussed in this lecture. Solution steps are given. You can follow from the book. Hopefully it's clear to you. And next time we will cover the next half of this chapter. You guys have to subscribe our YouTube channel, The Broadway School, to get the next videos. Till then now, thank you so much.